So it's an 8-hour and 54-minute drive to Atlanta right now.
Okay.
Leave now.
No traffic.
By 2 p.m.
What a time to be alive. They offer this. Oh, my goodness.
But for real, that's kind of cool, though, right?
Absolutely.
Oh, you're being serious?
Yeah, and then you could actually cook it so your whole house will smell like a Chick-fil-A, which is even better.
That is even better.
You know?
2 birds, 1 stone.
Now I'm hungry.
If only they would come out with a Yankee Candle scented Chick-fil-A, I'd be done.
Stop it. You're doing too much. It's only 5 o'clock, man. Don't do that.
Okay. I'll hold off till 6?
No.
All right, guys, let's talk about these rainfall totals. A lot of impressive numbers coming out of the eastern part of the area, Virginia Beach, out through the Outer Banks, where a lot of these heavier rain bands have been sitting for the last, couple of days. Over 6 inches in Creeds in Virginia Beach. Kitty Hawk, just under 5 inches. Virginia Beach itself, city center there, 4.7. Corolla, just over 4 inches. And Norfolk International Airport reporting just under 3.5 inches. So I like to pull out this graphic every now and again to kind of give you a perspective on just how much rain has fallen out of the sky. So let's round it out to say 3 inches, all right? And that's on the low end of things. Over 1 acre of land, that equates to over 81,000 gallons of water. Now you go to the bigger picture. The city of Norfolk consists of over 61,000 acres. That's just over 5 billion gallons of rainwater that have come out of the sky. Another perspective on it, think of an Olympic-sized swimming pool, 660,000 gallons. That's about enough to fill, carry the 105, about 760 Olympic-sized swimming pools. A lot of rain. We could double those totals before the week is out, by the way. A lot of rain, heaviest off to the west now. Band here has issued a flood warning here for this area, and that heavier rain band through Windsor, just to the west of Suffolk, up through Smithfield. You cross the James, head into the peninsula, Williamsburg area. Just a soaking start to your Tuesday. And notice the movement of these. They are moving to the north, but there is a little bit of a westward track too, which is helping us here through Norfolk, Virginia Beach, and Chesapeake, giving us a little bit of a break. But notice just south of the line there, another heavier downpour building northward. So flash flood watches are up for the entire area, excluding the eastern shore through this evening. That's for the heavier downpours to continue, overwhelming the storm drains that have already been working overtime for the past couple of days, and more developing off the coast, getting pushed off to the northwest. The overall pattern, high pressure off the coast, upper level low to the northwest, and that's just funneling that deep tropical feed from the western parts of the Atlantic, and that's going to continue for the next few days. 78 outside right now, dew point in the mid-70s, extremely humid out there, and look at these rain bands continuing through much of the day. They're off to the west now, but they do build back off to the east as we head through the later parts of the day today, so take along the umbrellas, although it won't be raining at all times. When it does come down, it'll be tropical in nature, very, very heavy. Tonight we start off kind of quiet, a few isolated showers here and there, but we'll see the same scenario play out that we saw yesterday morning and this morning. It gets much more active past midnight and into tomorrow morning with heavier rain bands rolling on through and a few rumbles of thunder thrown in the mix as well before things start to get a little quieter in here by the time we get to Thursday and beyond. So how much rain between, say, now and tomorrow evening? 1, 2, 3 inches, maybe a little bit more than that, depending on where you are. This is the type of scenario where you can get like 4 or 5 inches, and then 5-10 miles away, you have an inch. So it's just the tropical-like downpour nature of this scenario that makes it hard to pinpoint exactly how much you'll see in your location. 84 outside today, periods of heavy rain, warm and very muggy. Tonight down to 73. With that rain and becoming more widespread after midnight. 90 Thursday and Friday, and I still have that rain shower chance north of 50% right through the upcoming weekend. All right, Christina, how's it looking on the roads?
Well, we actually have an accident to talk about, and this one in Virginia Beach. So I-64 westbound lanes right around Indian River Road. You should see the accident there, and you can see one lane is closed and the exit ramp, according to VDOT, is closed as well. So something to be aware of as you head out the door. And the rest of South